My name is Malak. I have 11 years old. I live in Tangier. I'm from Mujda, but I live in Tangier. I was interested in programming because I love building websites, building apps, because I love this. This is my interest. First of all, I start by CoffeeScript, Code Combat, Code like this. And for languages, I started learning Python first of all, some calculators, some apps for just calculating something. And also I start learning Dart and Flutter with Prof. Murad. And this one was my best language because I love this developing mobile apps.
Tell me about now the platform. How did IKS help you like take your first steps?
IKS give me encouragement, give me feel that I am learning new things and I am just giving step by step to for my future. So it gives me feelings that I'm learning new things. So this is why I love this platform, and that's it.
Good. So do you cooperate with teachers? Like, I don't know who is your teachers exactly, Teacher Murad or
Teacher
Murad, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So do you cooperate with him in order to create projects? Like you have a project right now, maybe, right?
Yes, I have, of course.
Yeah. So would you like to share with us?
I just get this idea because I want to form food, but I discovered that I don't need just food from Morocco. So I just take food from other countries just to get the idea, the food from ChatGPT, my friend.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here is the splash screen. I mean, the first screen that I have, this is my app, and that's it. So here I just enter my email. I already have this because I will just log in because I already have it. Okay. I did a little description here for a restaurant. Then I did to choose the type of the food. I did the intro food, the main food, and desserts. And each one is different because this one I have to click one time, this one with 2 times, and this one with a long press. So when I click, for example, the main food, so it will give me the menu, which day. For example, for me, I will choose the Tuesday. Okay, and I will go to the main food. So here is what is in the menu. We have tacos, sushi, and pizza. For example, I will just I will develop it and I will do the payments and etc. For example, I don't know how to make pizza, so I will click on pizza to know how to make it. When I click on it, it will give me ingredients, a video on YouTube how to make pizza with a good way. Like,
oh, great. Okay.
and that's it. When I finished and I just ate my pizza, I did exit and I enjoy my pizza. And I will develop it to give the payment, for example, when I just who want to buy food to order it in distance. So it will just click on what he wants and confirm it. It will give him to enter the card and etc. So that's it.
MashaAllah, great work, man.
بارك الله.